your boy Dad Dude Montague, the lone FX trader, and you tuned into Forex with Local Millionaires. What's good, future Local Millionaires? It's your boy Dad Dude Montague, the lone FX trader. So today we're actually going to speak about what do I need to do, right? Not even what I need to do, right? My first heavy loss, right? My first big loss, right? When I'm speaking about big loss, we will actually lose 50% to 80% of our trading account. Right? This does happen to traders, right? Because again, it's all about, we tried doing something, risked maybe too much, and then market hit. First thing that we need to do or not to do, first thing that we don't have to do, right? First thing that we shouldn't do. Yeah. First thing that we shouldn't do is revenge trading, right? Because revenge trading always leads up to us losing more money in the market, right? If you have a look maybe in your trading journal, not even trading journal, but go to your trading account, right? And check every time you made a loss and the trade that you took after that, if it was a loss as well, right? 90% of the time, it's a loss as well. So one thing that we need to start doing, not start doing, but one thing that we actually need to do in order for us to counter react or, our big loss is take a step back, journal down what happened, why it happened, check news. First of all, check your news and all that, right? Because what's going to happen after that, once you hit another loss, after that big loss, we're going to start doubting ourselves, right? Once doubt creeps in, fear creeps in, right? So again, it's going to be like, you know what, right? Maybe my trading plan doesn't work, right? Maybe my strategy doesn't work. It's not that, right? Because one thing that we need to understand, the market or trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, 80% is emotions, right? So once our emotion gets shaken or stirred or even torn apart, right, we start making stupid mistakes. So when we actually want to take a step back from this and actually capitalize on market, we need to check what happened first, right? When I take my first loss, right? Well, okay, what I do, because this is what a lot of new traders ask me. What do you do? Like when you hit your first, like when you make a big loss? I don't step straight away into market. I take a day, 2 days off, right? The reason being is because emotionally, I'm not there. Emotionally, I'm not there. Emotionally, I'm on the money I lost. And first of all, what that gonna do? That's basically it's gonna affect the way I trade. So what I do, I go back to that day that I made that big loss and I reanalyze. I check, cool, A, B, C, I write it down. So the next time I don't make the same mistakes, right? Next time I'm a little more prepared. When I see that setup happens again, I know what to do. I'm always going to be patient and not just do exactly what I've done the last time, right? So with that being said, now we actually going to start, building some confidence back. If you got hit that bad, take a step back to the demo. There's no harm in trading on a demo, right? So what a lot of people think, you know what, right? It's taking 10 steps back. No, it's not taking 10 steps back. That's basically getting your confidence up. Because one thing that we don't want to do is be overconfident, but we also want to be confident, if that makes sense, right? We want to have that slight confidence because remember, I need to believe in myself when I jump into the market. And if I don't believe in myself, then who's going to do it, right? Because you must understand, trading is a one-player game. I cannot sit. No, I can sit on my phone whole day. But if I don't have that confidence to take that trade, that's a trade miss, right? That could be the trade that actually brings my account back 30% up, 40% up, 2% up, depending on how I risk on that big loss, right? So again, I'll move back to a demo and play around on the demo and be like, you know what, boom, bam, boom. Like in my case, I moved down to a smaller account and I trade on a small account to build my confidence right up. And once I actually get to that confidence level, then I'm back at where I need to be. Then I start trading with the bigger account. So one thing I want to do is always take a step back. Check, if for those that actually play sport, right? If you see your backline play, let's say you defender, right? So you're gonna play based on a defender. Let's put you a center mid, right? You're basically gonna be a midfielder, right? So all you need to do is take a step back. Check what's happening, what happened. And finally, when you actually see what happened, you capitalize on the market. Remember, it's all, again, like I said, it's a one-player game. You need to be mentally ready for every trade you take. And you need to be mentally ready for the trade not going your way. Because if you're not, the market is going to take from you constantly. It's going to make you second guess constantly. And what you're doing, is it right or is it wrong? Or is this meant for me? Because remember, by month 2, a lot of new traders give up. Because they stuck on that, you know what, right? This is not, I've just been depositing money into my trading account. I've just been doing this and that, because we're not focused, right? We're not focused on the bigger picture. We focus on that get rich quick scheme. But that was a video that happened the last time. So we, again, like I said, when we take that first knock, big knock, pardon. When we take that first big knock, we need to take that step back as traders. Reanalyze the whole situation. From there, check a cool, boom. This is what happened. Again, it's all about 3 things that we need to do: journal, back test, back edit. Not back edit, but we need to journal our trade, right? Journal trade, back test, right? Brush that, sharpen that strategy of yours. Because remember, your strategy got you to point B. It's just that maybe that point B is a little hard to get to, so we need to sharpen it a little more so we can, break. Okay, that movement wasn't right? So we need to sharpen it so we can break that ceiling of point B. So my traders, my new traders, don't be afraid to fall, right? Don't be afraid to lose a little money. But it's the way we actually get back on that trading journey is what's going to get us to that point C, that point D, that point E, and point F. Right? Because remember, all your traders that you see on Instagram did not get there in 2 weeks, 2 months. Right? It took them time to get to where they are. That first loss, that first big loss of yours, it's going to happen again. But the next time it happens, you could be a little more prepared. Because remember, there's a lot of money to be made in the market, but there's also a lot of money to be lost in the market. It's just that you need to know which side you want to be on and how to actually handle both sides. It's your boy Dadul Manseg, and I hope this video actually assisted you with just understanding, right? A big loss is not the end of your whole day. Not your whole day, your whole trading career. And for my traders, this is basically your last money. You should never risk your whole account for one trade or every day. Risk your whole account for a trade. Risk your whole account for a trade. It doesn't make sense. Again, it's your boy Dad Manseg, the Lone FX Trader. And I hope this video actually assisted you just with understanding, it's all a psychology game, this Forex thing, right? All we need to do is actually just get us to point B, right? Again, like I said, it's your boy Dad Manseg, the Lone FX Trader, and I'm out.